AVXL stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in the short and 1 minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Anavex Life Sciences, man, it's a decent 10% correction. I mean, as the only person in the space with 40,000 videos, it's taken me 5 years to make. I've seen what's making me money and what's not. The first thing that I'm going to tell you here is that I'm looking to double down and buy more. But it is on the freaking bleeding edge. So it's not going to be me just randomly getting involved. No, do not make, I mean, it might sound like it, but nah, not really. I mean, I must see my rules met. You know, I'm not sure if I have some previous, yeah, it doesn't seem like I have some previous receipts there showing up in the Discord, but unless there's some greenery and just some more greenery here, in this case, it's a second break, then there's just no way that I'm looking to get involved. This is not really following the rule structure, which, you know, technically fundamentally should be above 843, but there's definitely something that we can work with from like intraday trades, then trying along, but randomly buying, it's not going to be happening. I really need just to see some power, proof of some power. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month on indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free email.